In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Apple Store gift card. First, open the official Apple gift card page in your browser. You can also shop through trusted retailers like Target, Best Buy, or Walmart. These stores often have the same card options and secure checkout, so choose whichever site you're most comfortable with. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Apple Gift Card or Apple Store Gift Card. Make sure the listing clearly shows it's an Apple gift card and that it's sold directly by the retailer, not a third-party seller. If your region uses a single Apple gift card for both products and apps, that will work across Apple's stores and services. Next, choose the amount you want. You'll typically see preset amounts like 25, 50, and 100, plus an option to enter a custom amount if you have a specific budget in mind. Pick the value that fits your needs or the occasion. Now choose how you want the card delivered. For instant gifting, select email delivery. The code usually arrives quickly and is easy to forward or copy. If you'd like something you can hand to someone, pick a physical card and have it shipped. Double-check the recipient's email address or your shipping details so the card lands in the right place. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account with the site you're using. Creating an account helps you track the order and access your receipt later. Enter your payment details. Most stores accept debit or credit cards, PayPal, or a store balance if you have one. Make sure your billing information matches your payment method to avoid delays. If the retailer displays taxes or fees, review them before continuing. Complete the purchase and wait for the confirmation page or email. For email delivery, watch your inbox for the digital gift card and code. If you don't see it after a short while, check your spam or promotions folder. For physical delivery, you'll receive tracking from the retailer. Keep the code private and store it somewhere safe. To redeem the card, open the App Store or the Apple Store app on your device. Tap your profile icon, then tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the code exactly as shown. Your balance should update and be ready to use on apps, subscriptions, or Apple products depending on your region. That's it. You've bought and redeemed an Apple gift card from start to finish.